the surest road to failure is when you try to please everyone. It's impossible.
No,
Yes, sir.
no, no. I cannot please everyone. I cannot please everyone because there are always two sides of the coin. If the truth the truth is naka-incline towards one side, wala akong magawa. Basta, I will stick with the truth. So, kung yung tatamaan, talaga magagalit sa akin. At saka yung hindi masatisfy yung kanilang last for whatever, kung anong meron sila, hindi ko po sila masatisfy. Basta ako, I will stick with the truth.
Yes, sir. Very good.
Opo.
Senator Bato.
As I've said, Eric, nagkakandak po ako ng investigation not to satisfy yung kagustuhan ng ibang tao dyan.
Yes.
Nagkakandak ako ng investigation to achieve the truth.
Correct.
Na makuha ko yung katotohanan.
Ang katotohanan na yan, sir, ay matagal na inaasam ng sambayan ng Pilipino. In fact, the scandal and the allegations, the pervasive revelations against the President ay December pa or November last year lumalabas na. And no less than the former President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, in public speech, in-identify niya ito. Ang mga pangyayari, circumstansya, and mga dokumento. At ngayon, the only senator kahapon na naglakas ng loob, na tumindig na bigyang daan, na mabigyan ng official channel of revelations under oath and then subject to national scrutiny, ikaw pong gumawa kahapon.
Yes.
And we will be very straightforward to you, sir. Your holding of this kind of Senate committee investigation before the public eye and before the world and the country cannot be stopped anymore dahil nabuksan na po ang pagkakataon na mailalantad ang mga bagay na gustong itanong ng mamamayang Pilipino sa Pangulo ng Bansa. Ngayon, sir, ang katanungan ngayon, definitely, hindi mo mapipigilan po, sir, at alam kong hindi mo yon gagawin, kapag along the course of revelation of Morales and among other witnesses that may be called upon to do ang revelation sa Senate Committee mo, ang accountability and question of integrity to the office of the President will be an inevitable consequence in the course of the investigation. Are you ready to stand up for that? Although the impeachment complaint, should there be one, will emanate exclusively from the lower house, but on the Senate side, you are opening up the people's awareness on a very sensitive matter that has been hounding the President and the office of the President. How do you react to that, sir, na mangyayari yan?
As I've said, Eric, I'm willing to stake my career, yung aking political career, yung aking honor, yung aking buhay, for the sake of truth.
Wow.
Yun lang sa akin. I don't care kung ano mangyari sa akin. Sabihin nyo, hindi ako manalo sa re-election dahil hindi ko kinakampihan yung mga gustong may mga agenda para dito sa investigasyon. Oh, I don't care, Eric. Wala akong basta sa akin, I will stick to the truth. Kung lalabas ano mang kalabasan ng investigasyon na ito, I will stick with it. I'm willing to sacrifice everything para lang sa katotohanan, Eric. And
Very commendable.
I cannot be intimidated. I cannot be discouraged. I cannot be bribed by anybody. I swear to God. I swear to my family. I swear to my alma mater, the Philippine Military Academy. And I swear to the Senate na I will uphold the doctrine of separation of powers and I will hold it dearly, yung aming pagiging co-equal branch of government na hindi pwedeng diktahan ng ibang branch of government.
Claro. Saludo, sir, for that.
Saludo.